Thanks, Ashley. As many Mississippians witnessed yesterday, tornadoes are extremely powerful and can wreak havoc for miles. If you noticed any of the pictures taken in Tupelo or Louisville yesterday, you can see the powerness of this natural phenomenon. Now, tornadoes generally form when warm, humid air, in our case from the Gulf of Mexico, pushes up and collides with the cool, dry air coming from the west. Now, this collision forms a huge storm system, which is referred to as a supercell. This supercell has a pretty strong updraft of air that rotates, and causing this rotation is that faster cold air and slow warm air I just mentioned. In between these two, another layer of air forms, which rotates along a horizontal axis. Now, if one layer of the rolling air gets caught in this updraft, that horizontal axis gets pushed into the updraft, and it creates what is known as a funnel cloud. Now, as more air gets pushed into the updraft, the funnel cloud gets faster and longer, and eventually rain or hail from the supercell pushes the funnel cloud to the ground. Now, tornado paths range anywhere from 100 yards to 10 miles wide, to miles wide. They can last for a few seconds to over an hour, and this all depends on the supercell. If the supercell winds continue to blow, then the tornado will continue to move. But of course, if the storm itself dies down, the tornado will stop moving. Tornadoes are measured on what is known as the EF scale, which measures the speed of the tornado ranging from 65 miles per hour to over 200 miles per hour. We do know the tornadoes in Mississippi yesterday ranged from EF2 in Tupelo to EF4 in Louisville, and the scale goes to 5, so incredible damage caused in those areas affected. A few things to remember regarding tornado safety. If a tornado watch is issued, that means tornado development is possible. That means keep an eye out for a warning, and if you can stay in a safe place, do that. Now, if an actual warning is issued, that means a tornado has been sighted on the ground and you need to seek shelter immediately. So guys, it should not be taken lightly at all. Back to you guys.